The last time I was under the sun, the babies were covered. Poor me. I don't know that I'm supposed to undress them. I'm yada yada yada. I'm afraid I don't want anything to go wrong. I don't want cold to enter them. One of my dear friends, remember the lady that was in Ghana the other time, who is looking to move to Ghana with her family? I told you she's a nurse. She is a retired nurse in the US. So she saw the video and contacted me immediately. That, oh, okay, no, that's not how it's done. All of you, including doctors and nurses in the house, you didn't tell me. You didn't tell me that that's not the right way to do it. So she told me, so I need to put them under the sun like this with no clothes on. So that's what we're doing. I don't know what happened to me is the twins got gift. Okay, guys, the twins received gift, both monetary gifts and they got products as well from my next door neighbor. My French neighbor gifted the twins a couple of things. I filmed the video because I wanted to share with you all, but mistakenly delete that clip from my phone. I felt so bad. I wanted to show you guys what my neighbor gifted them. My neighbor gifted them diapers, the one that contains like 24 pieces of diapers inside. Gifted them bleach for their mother to wash their clothes. Gifted them some scent, fabric scent, when you wash and use it to wash. You know, she's a French woman and they use a lot of that. And then she gifted them wipes. She gifted them big detergent soap. With this harsh economy, someone could gift people gifts like that. I really appreciated it. One of my subscribers sent us money, not directly for the twins, but she wanted to support me because I spoke there in one of the videos. Sometimes you don't even know that when you are saying something, someone is going to listen and even pay attention to it. So I said it in the video where I introduced the babies to the channel, that I was supposed to buy a mattress, but I couldn't buy. So I needed that money to, to pay hospital bills. To pay stuffs around, to just basically run around, and so that everything will be fine. So she bought us a mattress. Otherwise, we have been sleeping on the floor. If I put that out here, it's going to be reactions from two different groups. Some, oh, Lily is broke, and so some will be like, oh, okay, she want to beg for money or something. So I wanted to just continue to live like that until we will adjust. Nobody is an island. Okay, I don't have much like that. It's just that my heart is so big. In my heart, I'm very rich. Yeah, if you are close to me, you can attest to the fact that I will not see you in pain and ignore you. I will not see that you need help and not help you if I can. So trying to assist my sister wasn't because I'm rich, but I know what she was going through, and I knew what she needed at that time. If I don't give her as an elder sister, I'm not qualified to be her sister. If I can't help my sister when she needs me, I'm not supposed to be her elder sister. If I cannot, it's different. She will understand. If I'm in my village or I still live in Nigeria, I will still help my sister the little way I can. Okay, now it looks difficult because we are in another country, and living in Accra is not a joke. Yes, there have never been a time where living in Accra is easy. We know that. If I was even living in another part of Ghana, it would have been a lot easier. But living in Accra is not easy. But I'm not complaining. There's no I'm going to ignore doing what I'm supposed to do for people that I'm supposed to do for. for people or someone that needs me, and they use that money because I want to build a house or I want to buy a car, I want to save basically. I won't do that. I'm not that type. Yeah, so that's it.
Announced that a shortage of cholera vaccines has prompted a shift in one of the main producers of the Shankar vaccine. The WHO says there has been an unprecedented rise in outbreaks of the waterborne disease. 35 people have been killed following intercommunal clashes in
I don't even want to pretend that sometimes it gets to that point where I ask myself, how did I get myself into this? And this circumcision period has been one of those days where I ask myself, is this even worthy? Like, am I on point with life? Am I supposed to do this? What can I do? Nothing. I'm already in it. I actually wanted to shift that responsibility by, not circumcising these children here until they get back to Nigeria and get their father to do it. But I don't want to cause them pain, like excess pain, because by the time they get to Nigeria, they may have been aware of pain and all that. They start to feel excess pain. So I just said, okay, let me just do it. But guys, it's traumatic. I am traumatized right now. I am traumatized. I don't know how to. I'm a very strong woman, yeah, we all know that by now, but I don't know how to see people go through physical pain. You get it? I had to, be made to go through the trauma of holding my nephews for the nurse to circumcise them. It was really hard for me. Yeah, I got someone to come home to come do it for me at home, because circumcision in Ghana, health insurance did not cover circumcision. So because of that, you tend to pay, you pay direct, so it's a bit high, not much, because there are two babies. It's kind of expensive for me, so I arranged with someone to come do it for me at home, a professional to come do it for me at home for slightly less and take the burden of transportation off me, going and coming and all that. So guys, I'm traumatized because I was made to hold the babies for her to circumcise them, and it's crazy. So I closed my eyes the entire time. I could not look. So, but that is done. But now the hardest part is the babies are crying non-stop. Nobody is going to sleep this night. For me to come here, I have to hand over the baby to Antonia, my niece, one of the babies, and the mother is holding one. I'm out here to buy diapers and their food. I think they should start eating because the breast milk is not producing well because my sister is stressed. This baby cries a lot. She is stressed, so I think it's better to buy their food. Did you buy? Hey, thank you. How much is this? 51, eh? Hey, try. They're 3 cities different. So, but you check the expiring date for me. So officially, it means that they have started feeding. Yeah, they have started eating. So that is where I found myself, and I cannot wait for them to be strong enough so they can, go meet their father and their grandmother. I am not doing again, guys. Look at me, I've started having gray hair. Why is it safe? I spotted one today due to stress. Due to stress, both financially, it is crazily expensive. So if you want to go having babies, please guys, be prepared. It's not cheap at all. And if God wants to bless your life, He gives you twins. It's extra stressful, extra difficult. Yeah, my sister is thank you all for praying for me. She's lucky to have me, but I don't feel lucky to have myself right now. I just want them to be strong so they can go. Yeah, I think I'm tired. I am tired at this point. Yeah, I'm tired. So I'm waiting for the lady that is selling to come so I can collect diaper. I want to collect this one for Wendy and then collect the one for the babies. And I'll go. Stay tuned, guys. Become my life. I needed to buy bottled water because officially they'll start eating and they need reliable water. They need bottled water for that. So, and here are the things. And now, as if I'm going to supply these things together. When these children grow up and they forget me, God forbid though, they will not. They definitely will not forget me. So if you want to marry them, anybody that wants to marry my sister's children, she just know that your daughters will have to impress me for me to approve it. I'm transferring aggression to all the daughters-in-laws out there. So this is why daughters-in-laws in Africa, you have to try to impress the family. Now, wow, it's not easy. The one that followed this one, immediate. The one that just big, small, past this one. That one is how much? So finally buying the mattress. I don't want any stories that touch the heart. I don't want to hear that we ended up spending that money on something else again. Oh my God. So I needed to quickly buy it right away. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. Paying for it. The good thing is, it's still the same price that the last time I wanted to buy it. It is sold for the same amount right now. So I'm so grateful. But if I take time, due to the inflation rates, it may just increase a bit more or just a little more. But I don't want to wait. Apart from that, I don't want to spend this money again on something else, and they will continue to sleep on the floor, which is not safe for our health, especially the little kids. I mean, Wendy and Praise, and even Antonia. What about me? So, thank God we are doing this. So, what happened is, since the mattress is the size of one person plus the baby, so my sister and the twins have to start using the small mattress, the one I just got. And then I and every other person return back to the main bed, which contains a lot of people. It can contain as many as 4. Normally, it's supposed to be for 3, but because, so once my sister leaves, Antonia can start using that one, and they will have enough space to sleep. God bless you, sis. I really, really appreciate it. Seriously, God bless you. This is not the first time she's giving us money, but it's as if this one, like God was speaking to someone and he spoke to her. Thank you so much. So I want to prepare light soup for, I used to tell my sister about light soup. She will not hear. She went to the hospital the day I couldn't bring her food in the morning because I was filming. So I told her to look for food around the hospital and eat. My sister went there and she bought light soup and rice and goat meat. So since that day, she fell in love with light soup. So when I asked, what should we cook that is not going to eat deep into our finance, she said, okay, why not you prepare light soup, like pepper soup. So yeah, I had all these ingredients in the fridge, so why not? I just added some into the meat, and that what I'm doing. I want to prepare light soup. So you take a look and see if I did a good job or not. But I think I did okay, because I think I did. The first thing is I boiled my tomato, basically my veggies, and the pepper and the garden egg. So I'm just taking them out, blend them and put it back, add salt and the rest, and seasoning cube, cover it again, add more water, and we are good to go. So for me, my sister and the kids are going to use rice to eat. They're going to eat it with rice, but mine is going to go with fufu, and I'm making the plantain fufu. There's unripe plantain, blend it and then stir it on fire, and it is ready. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye. This is so yummy. This is so good.